Here's a 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident, the cabin elegant and sporty, and the performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: external memory control, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, power sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, DVD audio, driver memory seats, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and V6 engine. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern mid-sized luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. Take it for a test drive today.